So today is the day where we get to go put our truck back together. So excited. It's only been sitting with the transmission and everything out in our friend's driveway for like 2 weeks. So,
of course, it's like the hottest day since we've been back. It's like 95 degrees outside.
With like, I don't even know, 80% humidity.
All of it.
All of the humidity. But we finally got the parts, the rest of the parts, like 2 days ago, I think.
After a whole debacle of ordering them online and then canceling that order because they couldn't give me an ETA, and then just ordering everything from a local dealer.
Yep. And then they were like, yeah, no problem. They'll be here tomorrow.
After tearing it apart, we found a broken flex plate, and the adapter plate between the engine and the transmission was also broken from the torque converter sliding out, pushing the flex plate into the adapter plate.
So if everything goes according to plan, truck should be done tonight, and we should be able to drive it. Knock on wood. There's no wood in here. But
Hottest day of the year, not really, but
probably up there. We're gonna start on the stuff we can do, waiting for a couple other people to get here so they can help us lift the transmission, and just like that, it'll be done, right?
sure. Was this thing front heavy or rear heavy?
Both heavy.
It was just heavy.
We're getting close, ladies and gentlemen. It's almost in.
You think it's got to slide forward then?
Well, yeah, it's like lifting on the front but not on the back. I'm trying to tilt that and see what...
Let's slide this bitch
Don't
forward.
drop it on anybody.
Right on John's face.
Yeah,
Alright, we ready to go up?
ready to go up. Let's go that way. Can you grab my blue vice grips out of there?
Pretty screwed up. Say when.
So we're putting the final touches on getting the truck all good to go.
Finally starting to cool off now that we're done.
It's still hella hot. All the bolts are tight. Hooking up the batteries. We got almost all of the fluid in. Split. We got a couple more quarts to go. How are you feeling?
Stressed.
Stressed, scared, excited, all of the emotions. It's been a long day in the heat.
Yep.
Long couple of weeks without a truck.
Yep.
Yeah. Fingers crossed it works. The moment of truth.
Ready?
I don't know. I'm scared. Will it move? Oh my goodness. We got reverse. We got forward.
Didn't move hard enough.
Huh.
Move hard enough in reverse, but not forward. Well, here we are again at my buddy's place to fix my truck. We buttoned everything up last night, put fluid in, realized we were one frickin' quart shy.
Yep.
So now here we are again today. Got a nice fog rolling in from the Canadian wildfires.
It literally just smells like there's somebody having a bonfire. I woke up this morning and like went outside and literally thought like there was something on fire because it smelled so bad. But besides the point, here we are. Hopefully this is all it is. We had a couple of like weird little scares last night. It made a couple of weird noises, but we think it was probably just because there wasn't enough fluid in it. So
let's throw this in and see if we got our truck back. All right, now let's take it for a rip around the block.
Oh I'm so excited to have the truck back. Shifted nicely into reverse. It didn't slam into reverse. That's kind of what it was doing last night. You would like put it in reverse and it would go, "Kong, kong, kong."
And then you put it in drive and it wouldn't do much.
We're moving! Shifted into drive really nice. Didn't even like notice. Well,
I think we have
our truck back! Yes!
Nice.
High five! Yes! So, we are stranded once again in Colorado again.
It'd be nice if traffic, would like move over.